So if you watch this series right now, you know that I'm teaching you how to open up headlights and close them back up and de-chrome them step by step. This is step 2, removing your housing and de-chroming it. Let's go. So now that you have your headlight broken apart, you have your housing, you have your lens with the other part of the housing that is also chrome. So ideally, if you're gonna change your projector, you would do it now and you would remove this part, but it depends. If you're getting the bi-LED projector, then you would also delete this part, which doesn't matter if you remove the chrome. For the purpose of this video, I'll show you only how to de-chrome this part. Let's go. First things first, there's three screws that are screwed into the actual lens. 1, 2, and I just realized that this housing is cracked. It has a fine crack along the way, but that doesn't matter because I'm not modifying this for anyone. I'm just showing you guys how I do it. And 3 screws. Once that's out, you can remove it easily. As I mentioned before, be careful with the butyl because all of this can get stuck to the housing and you don't want that, like in here. Seems like this set was already opened because there is a bunch of like paint and stuff. It doesn't seem that it's OEM. They might have, I don't see any prints on it, but I see some like welding and some like hit there. It doesn't matter because what we're gonna do now is we're gonna de-chrome it. All right, so then now you're like, oh, how do I take the chrome? Do I have to sand it? Do I have to pour some liquid in it that may kill the plastic? No. Have you heard of Zep industrial cleaner, purple? This thing, you insert this housing with chrome, not paint. Paint takes longer. Beware, not paint. You insert it, leave it there for 10 to 15 minutes. If it's the industrial level, it'll be all gone. Let me show you that. So here I have my beautiful bucket that I had dedicated for this. As you can see here, I have the Zep liquid already worked in there and built into it for the headlights that I have already modified. I already modified in total about 6 headlights for my friends and the ones that I did, and I opened up the STI without knowing that I wouldn't be able to do that because I was scared. But anyway, so this is the part that you want to de-chrome. So you got a bunch of hooks. You hook them to either this hole. In this case, it doesn't matter because the bucket is not bigger than this. But so I am just going to dip it into the liquid and we're gonna let it sit there and we're gonna come back to see that there's no more chrome. Check it out. All right, so you guys ready for it? It's time. Let's take it off and see what it looks like. Ready, set, go. As you can see, no more chrome. It is removed and it's not there anymore. Now you gotta repeat the process on the other side and let it be for another 15 minutes. You're all set. Now I'm gonna show you something very important. Make sure that these type of shady spots are gone, because if you don't do it the right way, this is going to let your paint bubble when you're painting it and you're gonna have to start from scratch. Take it from somebody who got that happened. We're gonna set the other side for another 10 minutes, 15 minutes max. Should be ready to come out. And that, my friends, is how you remove chrome from the housing. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.
Yeah, the sound consumes, get the ill style in it.